Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So this is yet another video on the recruitment process held by Cambridge Technology, CGI and LTI. So before getting to this video, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest so that you don't miss any of the opportunities that we are putting forward to you. Now let's get started to this video. So first, let's start with Cambridge Technology. They are looking forward for trainee engineer. It's an internship position. You will be handling .NET and Java. Location is Hyderabad and Telangana. But it is an internship position, but still they have mentioned here, after the internship, according to your performance, they will be hiring you as an employment if you're qualified to that. So they will be working on .NET and Java. So this is a good internship position because there's a high chance that you will be getting placed there itself. Now, the skill set they're demanding is you should have a degree in computer science or related fields, that is computer science related fields like information technology, information science and that. Okay, so that is computer science must be a main core subjects for you. I mean, you must be having a core paper on computer science related, and you must have a degree in the sense it can be BSc, MSc in computer science related branches, or engineering or masters in engineering in computer science related branches. Okay, so graduation type is not a problem, but stream is, they have clearly mentioned it's computer science and related fields. Now, excellent communication skill, excellent analytical and problem solving skills, understanding of software principle like OOPS, relational database, etc. That is basic software principles, and completed at least one course in web-based technologies. Nice to have participated or won hackathons, able to demonstrate academic projects using web-based technologies, prior appreciation with any software development organization. Okay, so this is added advantage, and this is skill set they're looking forward for. So to make your response, you can apply with resume or you can manually fill these fields and get started to it. And after that, if you're an employer, everything you can provide the details, and if education details, everything you can provide and get submit. So this is how you have to apply for Cambridge Technology. Now let's move on to the other, which is CGI. So CGI is hiring for Java graduate and basically to handle the Java. So category is development like Java developer or Java engineer, etc. So city is Bangalore, Karnataka. It's a full-time job, not a part-time. So coming to the position description, they are basically demanding knowledge in Java because you are a Java developer there, and with an excellent return and communication skills. And member should be ready to work in role which involves shifts and extended hours. Bachelor's in engineering, bachelor's in technology graduation required. So they have clearly mentioned the type of graduation here, that is engineering students. So it's for you, it's for your opportunity, make it. Okay, now moving on to the other, which is skills. They have only provided one skills, Java. Since you are a Java developer, you must know about Java every aspect, like object oriented programming, the theoretical part too, how to make programs on everything on Java. So this is all about CGI, and this company knowledge and everything you can get it from their page. Now moving on to the registration, that is you can click this I'm registered or I'm interested to get registration. So if your profile is already created on CGI, you can log in with your email ID or the username on the password, okay, and get applied to that with the created updations of profile. Else you can create your profile, and after that you can submit your profile for this opening. So this is how you have to apply for CGI. Now moving on to the other, which is LTI. So LTI is hiring for data engineer, and the job have been posted on April 4th. So it's been a while, but still they are looking forward for some of the candidates too for their submission of registration. So that's why it's still open, so it can get closed at any time. So soon after you watch this video, make your registration at the earliest, because not only in this case, but sometimes some links used to expire very quickly. That is, yesterday they'll be posting the link, today it will be getting expired, because the registrations or the applications will be saturated. So don't wait. When you soon get to know some openings is there, so go and register and make your resume everything ready, and register at the moment when the honor is coming. So we are providing timingly videos regarding that, that soon after the openings are available, we get the notifications, we'll be putting the videos on that. Watch this video and know about it, how to do everything. And after that, we'll make your application. So don't delay. Now the location is Bangalore, and they are expecting basic knowledge of ITIL, basic knowledge of Windows and Linux skill requirement, good communication skill, multitask, and should be able to work under stringent deadlines, ability to understand and work on various internal system basic knowledge of these many things like Docker, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and everything. You can get to know here. Now, office responsibility is data validation, deployment of automation IP platform in cloud and on prem infrastructure of customer automation platform, deployment through automation scripts such as Python, PowerShell, and shell scripting implementation, and support report extractions, provide platform support post deployment. So this is what you'll be handling with. So this is basically they're looking forward for. So they need who can handle these responsibilities or who have a knowledge to handle this. Now the job segmentation is database engineer, Linux technology and engineering. So this is what the details regarding the opening in LTI as a data engineer. So to apply, you can click this apply button. So if your LinkedIn profile is well updated, you can apply with that. Else you can click this apply now and get started with your application. So as every job opening, they'll be asking the personal details, everything, and you have to apply with that. So here, if you have already created a profile in this job, I mean this career site, you can log in with that. Else you have to create an account and start with it, and you have to fill your profile details and get submitted to this opening. So this is how we have to apply for all the jobs given here, all the jobs that we are introduced to you. So this is all about the video. And I would like to make a gentle reminder on the course that we are providing 21 days of crash course session, which is a live session. So you'll be getting individual attention and you can keep a track on improvement. And the start date is from 9th of April and it's going to end by 30th of April, the enrollment date. So you can make your enrollment between that at the earliest. And the whole package is available to you at just rupees 249. So this is completely worthy, I can guarantee you, and it's affordable too. And this contains everything like aptitude, reasoning, coding, everything regarding the online assessment. Since Cambridge Mini and is going to conduct their online assessment by next month, this will definitely help you to get that. It's not based on that too. Any online assessment, you'll get to know how to answer the questions, everything related to that. So the recorded versions are also available under this package. So you'll be getting a time and you will be getting materials to refer for your revision session. So that's all about the video. That's all about the course that we are introduced to you. So if you have any doubts regarding this video or any suggestions regarding the content that we present before you, you can let us know in the comment section. And until I come up with another video regarding the recruitment process, thank you and have a great day and stay tuned to Online Study for You.